is text 2. This is text 3. So this will be called horizontal arrangement, right? And if I will arrange like this, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, this will vertical arrangement, right? And if I want to design something like this, there is a box. On top of the box, there is a circle. On top of circle, there is a triangle. On top of triangle, there is still a circle. So this kind of design in a ZStack, right? One design in top of second design on top of third design, right? So this is HStack, any horizontal stack. This is called VStack, and this is called ZStack. Okay. Where is stack new? Ajit. So you understood, Ajit, about HStack, VStack, and ZStack?
Horizontal stack and vertical stack I understood, but ZStack means like some curve manner, right?
ZStack like, means you can think like I gave example yesterday as well. Like if there is a cake, on top of cake you put candles, right? So the cake and the candle is in ZStack.
Okay.
Okay. So suppose you are designing something in the in iPhone, you are designing some app. What you want is suppose you want any kind of dragger. Okay. So dragger means suppose there is a volume change dragger. So on the first thing will be a box. On top of that box, there will be another box, which will user can drag that box. Okay. So there is a two view, one view on top of another view. You will get a proper example at the time of implementation. For now, what you can understand is same like x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. No.
Okay.
So HStack means you can think like h-axis, and VStack means you can think like y-axis. Okay.
Okay.
ZStack means z-axis.
Okay.
Okay. So we can continue.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So what we did after this is we just go with the implementation and see how we can implement it in Xcode. Okay. We will do that again. So anyone have any question regarding HStack, VStack, and ZStack? Then you can say. Okay, fine. We are continuing this. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to create a project. So I think this is visible for you guys. I'm going to create a project.
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. Xcode is visible for you?
It was visible. Right now your profile image is visible.
Let me share it again. Okay, fine. So there is an option, single view app, that you are able to see.
Yes.
Okay, now I tap on next button and they're asking for product name. So this will be for now demo 2. Okay. And here user interface by default is selected storyboard. We are selecting SwiftUI. That's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are tapping next. I got document app option. I just tap on create. Now the project is created. So what is visible in front of you guys?
Demos, product name, team name, obvious.
Okay, so it's actually paused.
Same screen.
Yeah, wait. It's Okay, now that is fine. You're able to see the project? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay, fine. So there is a canvas where we can view whatever we are writing in SwiftUI. So there is a resume button on top of that, if you're able to see. I just tap on resume, and whatever code is written by default, the result will come on right. If you want to remove the view, you can tap on right corner. There is a button, and tap on canvas. Okay.
Resume.
Guys, canvas is visible for you. Are you able to see? There is a hello.
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, fine. I think I have to arrange some good internet activity. Fine. Right now, you can see
Yes,
on
we
the
can
right
see your
canvas,
screen.
you are able to see iPad, right? So because iPad is connected to my MacBook, that's why you are able to see iPad. I'm changing it to iPhone. Okay, fine. So the text written here, hello world, I'm changing it. I'm making it just hello, and you are able to see the reflection. Okay. What we just discussed about HStack, VStack, and ZStack. For the revision, I just say
Yes.
HStack, and I write two text over here. And you can see this hello and what are you doing over here is getting arranged in horizontal way, right? If I write VStack over here, then it's getting arranged in a vertical manner, right? What if I write ZStack over here? It will arrange on ZStack, means on top of that. So hello is behind.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Anyone have question till now?
No, just we want to see the screen again
Oh,
because
goes away.
in the middle, just it is getting disconnected.
Fine. Something is wrong today. Okay, let's see. So what you saw that HStack, VStack, and ZStack implementation.
Actually, ZStack, SStack, and VStack that are predefined. Like
Yeah.
it is already
You just
defined.
have to use. It's a predefined view that says how you want to arrange the view. You just say. So actually, what happened is right now my mind is getting crashed. Why? Because there's a lot of guys over here who already knows these things, and I'm getting confused how to explain because my mind says, okay, let's continue, but I'm trying to manage it. So okay, that's fine. What you can do is I will share some article with you so that you can easily understand these things, how it is working. But let me continue from here by explaining in a very less, you can say in a very small way. I write HStack, text arrange in a horizontal way. I write VStack, text arrange a vertical way. If I write ZStack, it will arrange a ZStack. Now I'm writing it alignment over here that we saw yesterday. Alignment, right? I write over here center. Fine. So what happened if I say arrange this two horizontal stack and the alignment is center? Okay, just see here. You are able to see any difference if I make it top? Anyone saw any kind of difference?
Yes, it went to top.
No, how you saw that? Actually, there is no difference. If you see carefully, there is no difference. If I write bottom over here, Is it any difference?
No.
No, actually there is no
No,
difference.
no.
Why? Because HStack says put it on this on top and on bottom, but the thing is the area is this much small only. So what is the meaning of top and bottom and center? You have to think like horizontal stack. Horizontal stack means the area top of H and the area bottom of H. Got it? So this area, this
Yeah.
complete area is fully occupied. So there's no meaning of saying that top and bottom. So right now what I'm going to do is making the area bigger by writing it frame. I just write frame. Something came on the screen. I tap enter. Width what I want nil. I don't want to change width. I tap nil. Then height I make it 100. And the alignment here for now I say is center, or you can say nil. Okay, I can't put nil over here. This is not optional. Fine. See, the text alignment is in center. Let's try to put this on bottom. This came to bottom, is it?
Yes.
So this is because frame itself have a alignment. If I'm increasing the size of the frame have a alignment itself. Okay, so we don't need to change any, we don't need to do any kind of alignment over here, because if we are increasing the size of the frame, then there is no meaning of this alignment. But let's come to VStack. In VStack, there is a different alignments. If we type over here, center, leading, and trailing. Okay, I put it center. See, the hello is in center. Hello and what are you doing? Both are in center right now. I just say, okay, dot trailing. It goes to trailing. That I explained yesterday. Right?
Okay.
So you got my point. What I'm trying to say over here is if you increase the frame size, then the alignment come by default with the frame itself. But if you want to play with the stack, then there is an alignment with the stack. So if I tap over here, leading. Now it came to leading. Okay, now I'm going to remove the alignment from VStack. And now by default it is in center. I put dot frame. I increase the width. I make it 200. Height nil. And then I said alignment. Now see, all kind of alignment is here. Bottom, top, center, leading, trailing, top, bottom. All kind of alignment is here. I said bottom. See what happened.
Nothing happened, just frame only width.
Yeah. So now say alignment leading. See?
Yes.
So the alignment with the frame means align according to the frame area, not according to the VStack. So whatever inside the VStack can be aligned with the alignment parameter. But if you want to align something with the frame, then you have to align it over here. Anyone have confusion in between the alignment which is integrated with the which is the parameter of VStack and the parameter of frame? Anyone have any doubt? So no. Okay, fine.
If you are,
Say.
if you are using in a horizontal stack, then there is no change in alignment.
Yeah.
When we are putting before the hello.
Yeah. You will see the change. You will see the change when we are doing something else, playing with some view, some other stuffs. Because in the text there is no change. You are not able to see the change. Actually, change is there, but we are not able to see it because all the area is already occupied. Okay. Yeah. If we create something where area is not occupied, then we are able to see the change because change is there. But that change is inside the VStack. No, see, in this case, when I remove the frame, what is the area of the VStack? This much of area, the blue line you are able to see. So in this
Yes, sir.
area, we are aligning leading and trailing, means something will change. Hello will come leading, hello will go trailing. What is the meaning of changing top and bottom area? Because you are already filled, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why you are not able to visualize any change over here. So okay, now we have to go further to design UI for login screen. Okay. So till now, anyone have any question?
No.
Till
Okay.
now, just one thing.
Mhm.
Inside the VStack, only text we are putting. Anything we can put
Yeah,
inside the VStack.
I showed that thing yesterday. Color, I said dot red, and then I said dot frame. The width is 30, height is 30, and alignment is center. See, one color I put one color, then I did one more color with blue. See, everything is coming in the vertical way, right? Vertical arrangement, because this is the VStack.
What about the top space? It automatically takes the top space.
This much,
From
this
the
much, right? Padding you're talking about.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, the padding is by default for now. We will play with that as well. We will play later. Okay. So this is VStack. What I did is command option left arrow. Okay. Command option left arrow. Now what I did, I tap or out of VStack dot frame, or I tap dot background color. Background. Fine. Then I say color. So see what is happening here. Suppose this is the VStack. What is the VStack? Okay, let's tap. You are able to see blue line?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, the blue line. So this is the area of VStack. Now I want to increase it. I tap dot frame. I increase the area by sorry, not 30, 100. 100 of height, 100 of width, and the alignment is center. So all the content, whatever we designed, will be in center. Okay, area we have to increase the width. The height should be 200. Fine. Now you see the lines, blue line.
Yes.
This is the area of
Yes.
vertical
Yes, sir.
stack. Sorry. Okay. Now what I did is, after putting it the frame, I changed the background. I put dot BA. Let me remove this so that you can see clearly. B background. Okay, I just typed background and something came up here. Now it's up to us, when I type dot background, what I want to do with background. Am I want to put an image? Am I want to put some color? What I want to do with background? This is up to me. So what I did is I tap dot color. Sorry, color dot. What kind of color I can say? Blue is already there. Green, yellow.
Gray.
Yeah. So now see what happened. The VStack is changed with yellow color. So the main thing that I want to explain over here is, what if you just say background color yellow and then you say the frame size? See, VStack is over here. After that I say, okay, the frame size is 100, the width is 100, the height is 100, and after that I say, okay, make it background color yellow. That's what we did. What if I put this background color before the frame? Anyone can say what will happen?
Sir, repeat the question, please.
Yeah, so my question is, what will happen if I put this background before frame? Because I use frame over here and after that I use the background, right?
Yes.
So what will happen if I remove the background from here and put it before the frame? is the result will same or is there any change? Because I say, okay, make it background color yellow, and then I say, okay, frame is means the height is 200, width is 100. That's all.
I don't think there should be any change.
Okay. What about others? Anyone wants to say about about this question? Like I will ask one by one. Ajit, what do you think?
I think also this same it won't affect because
Okay. Bhupendra, any change?
Same.
You just replied.
Same.
Okay. Amol.
I don't think so. Any more change?
Okay. Sabaz.
No. There will be a change. No, sorry. There will be a change, and this background color will be covering only these three colors only. Like I mean, red, blue, and green, and the rest of the area will be white only.
Okay. What about
That's what I
Sabaz?
think.
Audio is not good enough. That's fine. Who remain? Yasi? Okay. The audio is not good. Shabi. Mr. Shabi. Am I rightly pronounce your name?
Yes, sir. Shahbaz, sir.
Sehbaz. Oh, okay, fine. So what do you think? What will happen?
Sir, I think it will cover the frame field also, and I think it will outside the frame. It will, I think.
Okay, the result will be same. You can also reply in Hindi if you have any, you are uncomfortable with that. Okay, Shahid.
Hanji, I already told you that only
Okay.
these VStack background will be changed.
Oh, the sequence of this thing is getting changed all the time. Okay, fine. Okay, let's come to the solution. So guys, actually when I asked this question, how you have to think about it is like this. See, I said, okay, we will put background color before the frame, right? So when we put the background color, what background will say, okay, I don't know anything about frame because frame is later and background is before the frame. So whatever we will do before the frame, that thing don't know about the frame. So just remove the frame and put it the background color. This is the
only
result.
this. Yes.
Okay, because if I put frame after this, then background says, okay, that's fine. You put the frame, but I don't know because you said change the background color of VStack. You didn't say we change the background color of the frame, right?
Okay. Yes.
Got the points? So this is very, very important whenever you are putting it, because a lot of guys I saw, they are getting confused. They're saying, I use background color. Frame area is this much, but why background is not changing? Because you said change the background color on wrong place. Got it?
Yes.
So if you want to change the background color of VStack, that's totally fine. You can put it background over here. If you want to change the background color of VStack as well as the frame, then you have to put it after the frame. Fine?
Okay. Yes.
Any question?
No.
Anyone?
No.
No, sir. That's fine.
Fine. You want to see the examples or you already saw that? If I put background color over here and after the frame is there, okay, now what will happen? Okay, let's see. I say, okay, VStack, background color yellow. Then I say frame, width 100, height 200. And then again I say background. Background color dot gray. See?
Yes.
So this is the background color of what? Frame. Got the points?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever you're drawing something, you have to think like this. So if you want to place with, there is not only color, there's other stuffs as well. You can play with that. We will see later. For now, what we are doing is say this background color dot gray. So that is finished now. Now let's come with some design. Okay, this is my phone, and what I want to do is I want to draw a circle. You can say circle or you can say image over here. On top of that, Okay, let's draw circle for now. And I want to write a name. What I have to do? So first I have to create a VStack. Then I will create a color with the, sorry, for now just red color. And then I have to make it size. Height is 200. Width is 200. Alignment is center. Yeah, just a second. And after that, color. No color, no color. Okay, fine. This is one color with 200. 200 is too much, I think. We have to put it small. 100 and 100. Now what I did is I did a corner. I changed the corner radius to 50. This will look like circle. Fine.
Yes.
Till now, anyone have any question for designing this circle?
One question.
Sorry.
One question, like color equal to dot red. Okay. Color is dot red. Suppose we put background color. So the same, like color VStack, then color, again background color. So what is the?
So if you want, you are talking about background color, right?
Yes, yes.
So if you want to change the background color, first you have to come where VStack finished. Here VStack is finished, right?
No, here just see VStack, then inside the color you have put the activities color.
Okay, you want to change the background color of this color?
Background color.
Okay, okay, fine. So if you want to change,
no, instead of color, suppose I will put background color.
No. That's how that will work. What background? Okay. If you say dot background color, right?
VStack background color.
So for what? Background color of what? Right? If you want to change the background color, you have to write it over here. Got my point?
Okay. Yes, got.
If you're writing it over here, that didn't make sense. What for background color of what? This is color. This color means not color. This color means you are creating a view of red color. This is what this means. This is not just a color. This is creating a view of red color. Then you you make it the size of 100 and 100 and you are able to see on the screen. And then you say, okay, change the corner radius to 50. Then it converted, it looks like a circle. There's another way to create a circle. We will come up later. Fine?
Okay.
Anyone have any question till now?
No.
Okay, I don't know. It's sometime it getting paused automatically. Yeah, anyone asking something? Guys, you're able to see the screen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Now I just write text. I write it. Now it's visible. There is a one circle and there is a text. Fine.
Yes.
Now, what I want after this, I designed a circle with a name. And after this, I want to design something else. So what I have to do is, okay, I create one VStack. In that VStack, I create a circle, a text. And then what I want is, I want one more text, which says username. But it didn't look good. So what I want to do over here is I just select these two. I just select these two, color and text. I cut it and I create one more VStack. And I paste it here. Okay. So in this VStack, there is one more VStack. which contain color and text. And what I did is I put it spacer over here. See what will happen. Soft technology goes top. Username come to bottom. Is that okay for now?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe you don't know about spacer.
Yes,
You
but
just
spacer
attend the
means
class
it
today.
automatically.
Sorry?
Spacer it does like totally bottom, like the
Yeah, okay,
text
okay.
user's
I
name.
will tell you. I will tell you
Point
about
to bottom.
spacer. Spacer make a space, that maximum space which is possible between two view. So VStack is one view, text is one
Okay.
view. Spacer makes the maximum space which is possible. Got it?
Yes.
So maximum space is possible this much. Why? Because this is the first VStack. You can see the blue line. This is the first VStack.
Yes.
And we didn't limit the height or the width of this VStack. So when I put spacer, it goes till bottom. Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's come to, yeah. Anyone asking anything?
Sir, we have to put the spacer between two views.
Sorry. Say again.
I want to ask that we have to put the spacer between the two views.
It's up to you. If you didn't put the spacer, then what will happen? It will look like this. Right? And this is 100% sure this is not what we want. So we will see how we can manage it. This is not the final design. We are just doing it. So, okay, this is the text. Okay, what I did is I create one more VStack. Just a second. Let's come to the iPad so that I can draw a view and I can show you how to do it. Just a second. So you're able to see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Fine. You're able to see the screen? A box, a red color box?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is your screen. What you want is one circle, one text. Fine. And after that, what we want is you can say,
Hello.
yeah. What happened?
Yes. In the middle, it is just disconnected.
Is it?
Okay.
Here you need some image, and then what you want is text, username, then you want this border, then again you want one image, then text, and again one line. After that you want one button like this. This is what we are going to draw today in 10 minutes, only in 10 minutes. Let's see how. Or we'll draw one more button. See, sign in with Apple. Okay, this is what we are going to draw. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, now the question is how. So we know, okay, this is something called VStack. That we know. And after that, we know, okay, if this is the image and this is the text, we combine these two, and this will called
HStack.
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 And if we will combine this view and this HStack, then this will called VStack. Am I right?
VStack.
Am I
Yes.
right? Yeah,
Yes.
fine. And after same thing will happen for the password as well. One HStack which will
Yes.
contain image and password, and that HStack and this color will contain inside the VStack. Fine.
Yes. Right.
Now we are going to design the UI. See how much time it will take. I have to explain and I have to do. See how much time it will take. Okay. I just create a VStack. Inside the VStack, I create a circle with the text. Done. Then, because I already know the picture is in my mind, I have to create a VStack. Actually, my one finger is damaged, so I'm not able to type it properly. In VStack, there is one HStack. You remember?
Yes.
Yes.
And in HStack, there is a two part. One is image and one is text. Am I right?
Yes. Right. Right.
Yes.
Image. Now there is something called system image that Apple provides some kind of what we call PNGs,
Default image.
default images. So we can use the system image, and we have to pass the name over here. What kind of image you want? So I didn't remember the name of the system image. Let me check. Just a second. You want user login, LOGI, or you want a kind of user image, profile, person, PERSON.FIL, PERSON.FIL. Okay, and let's see. Are you able to see something on the screen?
No.
Wait, maybe the name is wrong. PERSON.F. Sorry, Phil. Okay. Are you able to see something?
Yes.
Yes.
Person Phil is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
After that, what I needed is text. TEXT. Text, and text contain user name. Done.
Yes.
Yes.
So this is inside the HStack, and what we planned is outside the HStack there will be one color. The color will be brown if there is brown. Yeah, brown, and the size frame. The width is 1. Sorry, no, width is not 1. Width suppose 100. And the height is 1, and the alignment is center. See, are you able to see something?
Yes.
This is how easy it is. What you just did, you just planned. If you didn't plan, you are not able to do anything. You will get confused. Hey, what to do, how to manage everything. You will get 100% sure you will confused. Okay. So first draw on the screen somewhere, anywhere, on the paper is also fine. Draw on the paper. Think, okay, how to divide VStack, HStack, and all, and then write the code. Fine. So in the HStack there is an image, there is a text, and out of the HStack there is a color. Now finished. One design is finished for now. Just for just a simple view. Now what I did is I just copy this VStack, paste it, and rather than password I just use pass. Just a second. I am looking for the image. What we called. There is no password. Give me a second. I am looking for the images that we can use as a password. By default image. Okay, for now we've used something. Okay, let's use this. Log.shield.fill. This is the image log. Okay. Log. Image name is LOCK dot shield. Wait. This one. See, something came like looks like password.
Yes.
Then I write password. Fine for now. Okay. What else we planned after that? So there is a two VStack. One VStack contain username, user image, as well as the color. Second VStack contain same thing. After that, what we planned is a button with the name of login, right?
Submit button.
Yeah. So
Yes, login button.
you are able to see on top right corner there is a plus button called library. Able to see?
Yes.
I just tap this button
Yes.
and I typed button. So there is a different tools. We are on the first left. The name is view library. I type here button. Button is here. I drag and drop here. Fine. And then the text name is
Yes.
login.
Hey, can you please repeat it? I just missed it.
Okay, fine. I just say there is a library button on top right corner. Okay, I tapped over here and then I just write button. And then when I saw that, I dragged and drop it here.
Okay.
Okay, if I drop it, I am able to see the button with the text name button. I change it to login. That's fine. Button is there. You are able to see on the screen. Now, what action is required? I don't need any action for now. I just type printf for now. Hello. Done. Okay. So this is the action part and this is the text. But this is not what we exactly want. I am doing it in a very simple way. We will change it later. Button is finished. Now what else we want? A text. A text, say, or. Done. After that, what we want? One more button. I just copy here and paste it here. This button will say sign in with
Apple.
Okay. Fine. This is a very simple design. Now what? How to set it up properly? So first thing, this is my first VStack, which contains circle and text. I put it special after. Now, so this goes on top. Okay. Now contain this VStack, which contain username and password. That's fine. There's one more VStack which contain password. User. Okay. One username contain one VStack contain username. One VStack contain password. What I want to do is merge these two. Okay. That means create one more VStack and put these two inside this VStack. You will get it why I did. You will get it later. Now there is a two VStack inside one VStack. Done? Then again I put it spacer.
Yes.
Now see what happened. Username come in center. Actually, why I put username and password inside one VStack? Because in future, I want these two VStacks always stay together. Okay?
Okay.
That's why I put it inside. I think a lot of people have running in mind. There's a lot of question in the mind. Oh, what is going on? So if you have any question and you want to ask, you can ask. Till now.
Actually, Actually, we put text or means
Sorry. Hello. Hello. Something happened. Just give me a second. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are
Hello.
you saying? Hello. Am I audible?
Hello. Yeah, yeah. I can see.
Yeah. Someone is asking something. Okay. Anyone have any question?
But here,
I have, yes, I have
normal.
question.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put space in image view and username.
Okay. What? Say again.
I want to space image view and username.
Correct.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I was about to ask one thing.
Mm-hmm.
The texts we are putting and it is coming like or hello login.
Mm-hmm.
No, hello login. Just it text or username, password, text, just text, simple text.
Mm-hmm.
Not that username, password. Yes. So
Mm-hmm.
it is just treated as a label, UI label type, or like only text.
Okay.
So the
Let
same
me.
way, can we take button text also
Okay.
instead of drag and drop from the attribute?
Let me finish one thing over here. Let me finish one thing. This is just a temporary design which is not finished yet. How we think is a very simple. Whatever is there, there is a text. Text is a separate view. Image is a separate view. Label is everything is a separate view. No, you can play with that. For example, inside there is a HStack. Okay, come here. There is a text button. Okay, there is an image that you are talking about. Fine. There is a password text is here. Okay. So there is a two view you are able to see. One is image, one is password. Fine.
Yes.
Now suppose
Yes.
what you are asking is, suppose this is the image button and means this is the image view and this is the password view. Basically, this is not just a text. This is a view. You can't say this is just a text. Why? Because if you want, you can do it something like this. Dot on tap. See, you are able to see on tap gesture.
Okay.
So
Yes.
you can take an action if someone tap on text. So you don't need to think this is text, this is circle, this is image, this is what. You just think like this. Whatever is there is a view. Okay. If there is a text, this is also.
Okay, so in button,
Hmm?
we are dragging and drag and drop from the attribute inspector. So can we make a button like this, like we do for username, password?
I didn't get it. What do you say?
Actually, for button, when
Drag
the
and drop.
login button
Oh,
came,
got it. You
what
are
you
talking
did?
about drag and
Yes.
drop. Wait. So whatever we are doing here is also available in the library. For example, I just write image, just tap on the plus button and write image. Image is here. You can drag and drop image. The same code will come whatever you write. Got my point?
Okay.
I write text. Okay, rather than writing it, I can go at library and I type text. Text is here. Drag and drop. Who will do again and again? That's why I just write text.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever you are writing over here, you can also get it from the library. Fine.
Yes.
Okay, let's try to finish it as much as fast we can. So the circle and that thing is ready. Let's increase the width, make it 200. Okay. Now you can see this HStack which contain username and password, right?
Yes.
And there is a color. But are you really want username in center? No, na?
No, it should be left. No.
Yeah. So
Left alignment.
just come to VStack, which contain this all information. See the blue line. This is different VStack, which contain everything. Come to this VStack and put it alignment. ALIGN
Yeah.
and say that leading.
Yeah.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now come to the color. Color is something which takes a lot of space in between username and this. I think you don't want this, right? This much of gap is too much. So what we did is just dot padding is 0. Let's see if it worked. Okay. Do the same thing for this one. Okay, still there is a gap. Okay, fine. Okay, we will cover it. Just wait. Make it the same thing. Alignment over here. And then the size is 200. Done? And this user
Yes.
password is too close. You want to make some space in between those.
Yes.
So there is a multiple way of doing this. For now, what I am doing is, this is the VStack which contain these two, username and password. So let's increase the height. Width is nil. Width is nil. I increase the height to 300. This 500. And the alignment is center. Oh, 500 is too much. Sorry, 300. No, this looks too much. 200? Yeah, fine. And why I did this? See, the area is now 200, right? Just put the spacer in between those two. There is two VStack. One VStack contain username, one VStack contain password. Put the spacer in between two. Is that goes away? Now decrease the height. This is fine.
Yes.
You got my point. So if I put spacer without limiting the area, then it will go far away.
Yes.
That's why I first design VStack and say, okay, your area is this much only. And after that I put the spacer so that it's not going too far. Got it?
Yes.
Now soft technology, come to the logo, means the circle. This is also too close on top. So what I want to say here is, okay, I just say increase the height of this frame to 200. Oh, sorry. This is here. Okay. So this is the complete logo which contains circle and text. I say, okay, make it some padding on top. Padding. Okay. If I just say padding, I get padding from every side. But I say padding and wait for the parameters. See this age and length. There is something age and length. Enter. What age we want? Dot. What from where you want to give the padding? Top.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I just tap on top and then I say length is 100 is too much, 50. Are you able to see what happened?
Yes.
Gaps come, right? So I just say, okay, rather than 50, make it
Yes.
100. Now my problem is solved. It came on where we want. But actually, this is not the right solution. So what I am thinking is, rather than making it like this, make it like this. Make it a frame. Okay, what is the width that I want? Width I want nil. Height I want 500. See the screen. And alignment is center. Okay, it's too much. Make it 300. Still too much. No, I think it's okay. This is what we want, right? So it looks like you increase the height and say that stay in center. If you say stay in top, it will go on top. See, if you say stay on bottom, it will come on bottom. What my point? So you can place wherever you want. Okay. Came on center or not? Oh, I tap it somewhere else. It should be here. Done? So this looks good. Username, password looks good. Now come to this login or and sign with Apple. Someone draw something on the screen. Sorry guys, it got disconnected because of some reason. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah, it got disconnected because of network problem or maybe time expired. So where we are, username and password is there. Now we have to think about these buttons, which is came in this much of bottom. Login should be nearby this VStack, right? So remove the spacer from here. Oh, sorry. Okay, fine. My internet connection is not good right now. So see this view. This VStack contains these two username and password. After that, there is a button. Now the problem is button is neither in VStack or in HStack. Simple, I just write button. That's all. Okay. What I have to do is just write spacer after the button. Button goes away. Same thing you have to do just after text.
Yeah. Hello. Actually, your internet connection is.
So yeah. Today is something wrong.
Yeah, the voice something.
Yeah, understood. Just see the design. If I am audible, just see the design.
We are not
Your
getting
internet
properly.
connection is unstable.
Okay, is it okay right now? No?
Okay.
Is it okay right now? Fine. So you just saw the screen that I designed over here. Looks like the login screen for now. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So this screen that I just designed in front of you, what I did is I put a spacer in between login. So guys, I will share this code with you, all of you.